In this video, we will see what is freeze panes function and how can we use it in Microsoft Excel. Now this is the sample data given to us. This has name of students in the left here and some subjects coming over here. So this is huge data covering the whole sheet, and when I want to scroll down and see the students who are below the sheet, okay, and what is the subject this? Oh, I can't see the subject because I scrolled down. So as soon as I scroll down, my top row goes above. So I can't see which subject marks are that. That is a problem. How can I solve it? Just wait a minute. Let me see this also. Now these are Vikas's marks, and if I want to go and see the marks in other subjects, oh, again the same problem. Now in the columns, column is gone as I scrolled on the right. So to solve this problem, what you can do is you can use an Excel function called freeze panes. So freeze panes allow you to freeze your row or columns, like this. So you have to put your cursor on a cell where you want to freeze the row and the columns. So I put my cursor here. I'll do is freeze panes. Now you can see a black line which is showing that now the panes are freezed, and if I scroll down, the top row is not going, and in the same way when I scroll right, the left row is not going. I can remove the freeze panes here, unfreeze panes. So if I want to freeze only the row, there is one more function, freeze top row. So this is freezing top row only, right? Freeze top row. And freeze first column. So this is freeze only the column. Now what if I had my data in two rows? So I wanted to keep this first row and second row intact. So you can do is first unfreeze panes. Now I want two rows intact. So I'll keep my cursor here below two rows, right? And I'll go and do freeze panes. So now two rows will be intact and it won't move. So whatever part you want not to move, you have to keep the cursor below that. Or here also, if you put it here in the C and 3, you can see, first let me unfreeze and freeze again. So you can see now two rows and two columns are intact, they are not moving, right? So it depends which column or which rows I want to freeze. So this way you can analyze or you can see through data which is in greater number of rows and where you want to see the headings.